Good morning. Happy Sunday, everybody. It is Sunday. I don't know if Steve has shit to do or not. It's been kind of rainy. The shit I gotta do today, if I even work on this, it needs to be pretty dry. Need to start doing some grinding out, some fiberglass and stuff like that. Some repairs, just to keep moving. But I don't know if I'm gonna mess with this thing. It's Sunday. I got work on this thing after work tomorrow and the rest of the week. If I got good days to do it, I might do something else today. Something just for myself, relax, or maybe go to a pool, hang out in my jacuzzi. I don't know, but today I might make it a me day. We'll see. I have no idea. I hope everybody enjoyed their weekend and had a safe weekend. And I got a 3-day weekend. I forget I'm off tomorrow too. And have a great, happy Labor Day. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure what I'm gonna get into. I'm gonna drink my coffee. My back is better than yesterday. Ooh, yesterday was a little rough morning, rough start. But we getting through it. My nerves aren't causing any weird things today. Just kind of hurts in the middle of my back a little bit, my upper. Last night my whole upper and lower was a little sore. Leg was feeling a little numb, but hey, we're getting through it. I don't know what the heck's going on with me, but we're getting through it. Do have an MRI coming up for that. Still going to physical therapy. I feel strong. I don't feel weak. There's some weakness sometimes when I get up. I feel a little bit like maybe nerves shaky and a little weakness, but if I push through it, usually by midday, I'm feeling pretty good. Like, not too bad. Don't bother me too much. All you can do is just get up, keep moving, baby. If you're down, you got injuries like these, keep pushing through it. I was watching a documentary, not too long ago, and these monks, they practice this. They wake up and they practice this. They got to get it out of their mind. Get it out of your mind, things start getting better. And that's the big thing. You start getting stuff in your head, now you're building up anxiety. Now your muscles are tensing up, tightening over things, and then you just hurt worse. Try to find peace, try to find a way to get it out of your head and just move past it. But yeah, for today, I have no idea. I'll keep you in tune. I might do a little cleanup, pickup, but like I said, most of all, I think I'm just gonna kind of take a day for myself, do something, relax or do something. I don't know yet, but it's in the happenings and in the thoughts. But this boat can wait. Like I said, it's probably gonna rain, and I don't need rain for what I'm doing now. But I'll show you what I did yesterday. I kind of did a video yesterday on it, and you didn't see, but I'll show you where I'm at. So I got a lot of cleanup. You see where this is holding water? This was holding water just like this. And so I was telling you yesterday in the video, this drains, but it drains right into here, and it just holds and holds. So when I opened this cap, I was like, oh goodness, we just got our own little lake inside the boat at all times. It's a customer's boat, but we're gonna make this right. We're gonna fix all this right. Fix the cap. We're gonna put some hatches on, clean all this up, scab it back in. But let me do a test fill. Oh yeah, I got all the glue off. I can actually sand now. Man, that Temu Decade crap, I do not recommend it. Mr. Logan, what's up, brother? We're doing a little update on the boat.
Okay, YouTube?
Yeah. It did good. Like, I end up putting some paint remover all over it yesterday just to get that glue off. And I was sanding. So yeah, lots of work done to do to this boat, you know, stuff like this. I gotta grind all that out. Sorry for the little blare in my phone. I need a new case. It's got scratches. I'll work hard, throw it in my back pocket, lay all over it. But yeah, I'm gonna have to grind all this kind of stuff out. I wanna try to fix stuff like this, like whatever they did here. Some of these speaker holes are just not that clean. They didn't fiberglass seal back in that Coosa. That's definitely Coosa foam. I like to try to seal that stuff, you know. All this little crack stuff, I'm gonna have to chip all that out. It's work, but I'll do it. I'll make it nice. Whatever's going on there, grind that out, fix it. Get this top cap looking good again. Still got to do some more slicking off to the side. I got most of that white crap off. You can see where they were using like Bondo filler. You see that? You see how it just scratches off? Like it was even peeling under the paint. You know, you don't use carb automotive Bondo filler on boats. Like right there, it's above the water line there, so it ain't as bad. But especially below the water line, you do not want to use automotive fillers. It's just not good. You gotta stick with marine grade for marine grade stuff. But we'll get all this slicked off, and I'm probably gonna have to crawl under the bottom too, because I'll eventually get this boat off the trailer and put it on stands. But look at this crap, like this guy's riding around out in the water with cracks in his boat. Not good. So I'll fix all that too for him. Man, definitely follow me, guys. I'm gonna show you what I do with boats. This boat was not much better shape when I started. I mean, and it came out real nice. I've done quite a few boats. I'm just trying to get back into building boats and doing painting boats, and I want to make it kind of a business. I don't want to try to get into too big of boats. Just not set up in the room for them. I like small boats. I like flats boats. But yeah, that's where I'm at. Try to get rid of some of this stupid crap that's not even marine grade. You know, they did a lot of that crap. Let me show you what they did with the top cap. I'm so glad I cut this off. This kid had no idea. From emptying, scraping paint, and Temu decking. Don't buy this crap, guys. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's junk. Check this out. I'll pop this top cap off. They splice it so many ways. It was rotted. They went on and put it on anyways. It's like, and this wasn't done that long ago. I just can't believe they did that. They put all this in there just to help support it, beef it up, so they can get it back in there. But I don't even know if this is marine grade. I doubt it. Like, very awful, very awful. This part don't look like it was done like this. This part looks a lot. This is all Coosa. That is definitely all Coosa. They did a lot better. Marine grade for sure. But yeah, that is junk. So I'm glad I'm doing this for them. And while we're doing it, we're gonna put some hatches. And I'm just gonna keep that as a template if I need it. I may not even need it. Here, I'm gonna do all acrylic. Acrylic right over this, cut all this crap out. Acrylic plate, steering will go back on. Control here, acrylic here, new switch panel. We'll make all this look good. Rip all this funky wire out. Put some new wiring in for them. These I gotta put a cap hole in so I can get these off. I'll probably put some new ones back on. He wants his handles because this boat will fly. He needs something to hang on to. Puts his kids and family on the boat. But yeah, that's where we're at. Start filling holes and patching fiberglass and getting rid of stuff they don't want and need. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, man. I'm gonna get back to something today. I'm definitely getting out of this boat. I ain't gonna mess with it. It's definitely gonna rain, most likely, so find something to do today. I don't know what it is. Who knows? Could go to the movies, might go play some pinfish bowling. I have no idea. I'm gonna get in the sun today. You guys enjoy your weekend. Have a great day. Thanks for following. Give me a like.